What do we use in solving multiplication by a monomial? Veronica? Great! In addition, we apply distributive property by distributing and combining like terms if necessary. But what is the handy trick method we use to apply to multiply easily? Bea? Yes, very good. But what does DNC stands for? Gian? Yes, excellent. It seems that you really do understand the topic we had yesterday. So let's test that skills in a short review activity that I have prepared. The direction is multiply the given monomials, put the letter that's paired with the question and the correct answers. I will solve the first two questions and I will call 3 students to answer the rest in front. Do you have any other questions, class? If not, let's start to solve this activity. Can I call Maricar, Jaira, and Arvin?